Natural vegetation. Natural vegetation refers to the green cover, such as grasses, trees, and shrubs of an area, that develops without any human interference. As the climate of India varies from place to place, we have a wide variety of natural vegetation. Growth of natural vegetation is an area, depends on a few factors. These are rainfall, soil, temperature, and human activities. India has different types of soils and different ranges of rainfall occur, which lead to the growth of different types of natural vegetation. In India, we have the following types of natural vegetation: tropical rainforest or evergreen forest, deciduous or monsoon forests, thorn and scrub forests, montane forests, mangrove forests. Tropical rainforests. Tropical rainforests are found in warm and wet areas with heavy rainfall of over 250 centimeters annually. The trees in the tropical rainforests remain green throughout the year, as the trees in these forests shed their leaves at different times. That's why the tropical rainforests are also known as evergreen forests. In these forests, the trees grow tall with broad leaves, which make the forest dense and prevent sunlight to reach the ground. They also develop a broad canopy and a thick undergrowth of bushes and plants. In India, these forests are found in the western side of the Western Ghats, the hills of northeastern states such as Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh, and in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Some common trees found here are mahogany, ebony, rosewood, rubber, etc. These trees are hardwood trees, best suited for making very high quality furniture. Deciduous forests. Deciduous forests grow in the areas of monsoon climate with a rainfall of about 100 to 200 centimeters annually. They are also known as the monsoon forests. These forests are widespread in India. Deciduous trees shed their leaves for 6 to 8 weeks during winter. They do so to match with the shortage of water. Deciduous trees are found in the northern plains, the Shivaliks, the lower Himalayas, the eastern side of the Western Ghats, and most parts of Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, and Jharkhand. Teak, sal, bamboo, shisham, and sandalwood are the main trees that grow in deciduous forests. Teak is used for making boats and furnitures. Thorn forests. Thorn forests grow in dry regions where the average rainfall is less than 80 centimeters annually. The trees of these forests are short and have thick barks and small leaves to reduce loss of water from the surface of leaf. In many plants, leaves turn into thorns. The trees also have deep roots to draw water from the subsoil. These forests are mainly found in Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab, Gujarat, and most parts of Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and central part of the Deccan. Kikar, babul, ber, date, palms, and cacti are some of the plants that grow in a thorny forest. In deserts, thorny bushes or scrubs grow. Leaves of these plants area also thorny. They also have waxy leaves, which help conserve moisture during long dry season. Montane forests. The forest found in high altitude areas are called montane forest. High altitude areas are cold, and in winter, snow falls on those areas. Therefore, the trees take the shape of a cone. So, they are also called conical forests. These forests are mainly found in the slopes of Himalayas, in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, and in the hilly areas of the southern part of India. Important plants of these forests include pine, oak, cedar, etc. On a mountain, plants grow below the snow line. No plant grows above the snow line, as the land here is covered with snow. A snow line is the line above which snow exists, and below the line, snow melts. Snow line changes in different seasons. Mangrove forests. Mangrove forests grow on deltas and at the mouth of rivers. This forest can grow in fresh as well as saline water. At mouth of a river, there is fresh water brought by rivers, and during tides is filled with saline water. Sundari trees are the most common trees found in mangrove forests. These trees provide hard timber, which are used for construction boats. Sundari trees are also found in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. These are found in Sundarban Delta, in West Bengal, and in Kerala. Sundarban is named after Sundari trees as they abundantly grow in this region. Mangrove forests usually grow on the edges of the deltas of the Ganga, the Mahandi, the Godavari, the Krishna, and the Kaveri. They are also known as tidal forests. Significance of forests. Forests are considered to be the lungs of the earth as they absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Forests are also the natural wealth of our country. Forests are useful to us in many ways. Forests purify the air. They bind the soil to control soil erosion and increases the fertility of the soil. They provide shelter to wildlife. They provide many useful things like timber for furniture, wood pulp for paper, firewood, medicinal herbs, rubber, gums, lac, honey, fruits, and vegetables to us. They maintain the ecological balance of nature. The overexploitation of forest has increased natural disasters such as flood, drought, tsunami, global warming, etc. It is also affecting the climate and weather patterns of the world. Cutting down of trees for wood and clearing the forest for cultivation and construction is called deforestation. Deforestation further leads to global warming. Therefore, it is very important to conserve the forest resources and plant more trees. This is called afforestation.